In this video we will be discussing the type of foods to eat on the keto diet. You may be lost on which foods to eat if you plan or just started a ketogenic diet. We will be discussing dairy, fruit, meat, nuts, oils and fats, poultry, seafood, seeds, and vegetables. Be sure to watch all the way to the end to learn everything you need to know. Diairy is perfect for the keto diet because it is normally high in fat and low in carbs, but be sure to only consume real dairy foods. We recommend include butter, cheese, clotted cream, cottage cheese, cream cheese, Greek yogurt, heavy cream, sour cream, ghee, kefir, and quark. Next is fruits. The following fruits are paleo approved: berries, lemon, lime, black and green olives, rhubarb, and tomatoes. Then we have meats. The following types are fine for the keto diet: bacon, all cuts of beef, buffalo, ham, lamb, mutton, liver, pork, sausage, pork and venison. Nuts are delicious, but be careful, nuts generally are very high in calories. We like almonds, Brazil nuts, hazelnuts, macadamia nuts, peanuts, pecans, pine and walnuts. Next up are oils and fats. We use avocado oil, butter, coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, ghee, goose fat, lard, macadamia nut oil, red palm oil, and tallow. Poultry has the lowest amount of carbs compared to meat. Keto poultry includes chicken, duck, eggs, goose, turkey and quail. The list is long when it comes to the type of fish you can eat on the paleo diet. Our favorite type of seafood is catfish, sardines, flounder, salmon, tilapia, tuna, mackerel. Then we have seafood. Seafood contains more carbs than fish. The type of seafood that is perfect for the keto diet includes clams, lobster, shrimp, squid, mussels, and scallops. Seeds are odd because certain type of seeds can be high in both fats and carbs. We recommend chia seeds, flaxseed, hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, and sunflower seeds. The list is endless when it comes to keto approved vegetables. We love broccoli, cabbage, spinach, okra, turnip, white mushrooms, cucumbers, cauliflower, and celery. Alright, so in this video, we covered the best types of foods to eat on the keto diet. The big takeaway is to avoid processed food and eliminate junk food. If you would like more information on how to live the keto lifestyle to the fullest,
you can click on the first link in the description to check out the Keto for Beginners guide. Keto Beginning is a 147-page guide that's help you step by step on how to be successful with the keto diet. It also includes a 30-day meal plan, weekly shopping lists, and a collection of low-carb, moderate protein, high-fat recipes. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.